everyone, welcome to Cukmekerb's coding class. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a StupidSearch app. StupidSearch is a search engine. It's pretty cool, and it's especially cool because it lets you write apps for it and then run them. You can run them by clicking this Import App button. I'm going to show you an example. Here's an example. Nyan Cat. You enter that ID and press enter, and it replaces the background with the Nyan Cat GIF. And you can't hear it, but it's playing the Nyan Cat song. It's just very quiet speaker. And now you can do anything you can run on JavaScript with this. So let's try JavaScript : alert, in parentheses and in quotes, hi. End quote, and parentheses, semicolon, enter. We get an alert box that says hi. So if we wanted, we could make an app called Hi. And we could upload it to StupidSearch, and then anyone could click this Import App button, and StupidSearch would say hi. I don't know why you would want to do that. But you would just put the code inside of a JS file, and then upload it at stupidsearch.github.io/I'm-not-dumb with a capital I/apps/upload. And I'll put a link to StupidSearch and this upload form in the description. Wait for it to load. And we get this Google form. And it'll ask you for some stuff. Let's see, is this app not appropriate for some ages? No, it's appropriate. Upload zipped files in standard SSFR. I don't know what that means. So just zip your files and hope for the best. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out KidZ in the bottom right corner of this video. Go to my website at cukmekerb.gq. You can download useless zip files that do absolutely nothing. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.